Mami Mao Akraba and found Bragan and Sam TV GH so what frame Adwa searching.
A catch now, and it's not because some last year, you know. And I caught to see me just 6,000, oh, daddy. A court and mera. And a year, and you may be a white like it's a judges, you know, and the lawyers, you know, it's their terms. And they know the reason why it's here. You say, yes, I didn't just 6,000. The next day, who's makes me the same mistake in Ibi? The judge will tell you to pay money to us. And it's not social media so. Emma papa penimu to say Hopeson Adorye. Why you jumawa mobra? If you won't see me for hearing court's name, you are coming some will be me cashing. I'll see a tool I will call to her. Someone Cassan Tramo. Why that's now sister K. Oh, Baba Sreme. Now, if they say I should give you 6,000, and then once about times I be physical, who pay be a dear, and no to wood shimino, met Tamana Massa, I made 6,000 amount. Would dim a Tamana Batsan my last show? We did dim a Tametsa me last channel, or Bomma could see a member last channel. Make catch no pray in your prayer. I'm telling you the facts. Oko Pen Johnson, I told me so. And for the sake of the 6,000, I sanity. Agraada uncle Chiesi a court of mara. One no minimum court. Or more lawyers. They know what I'm talking about. Where a mistake, now I find a judge a final. Where a mistake, now judge a final. At the end of the case. At the end of the case. Yeah, we case, you know. Answer. The Atsanase. Say, in the course of the case, you know, you're finding mama part 6,000. In the course of the case, you know, you're finding gift 2,000. Niaki Kabum, yes, why you're finding one. I'm going to say. Ya wa kurase na ye di asem e wa himfie na ya se ya chiw de dia enti ya chiw de dia enti ya ju ensa tumpan mienu na ya de ma abedwafo na wo ma nom e ya sa nete ye se wa ko gina court e so kope 200 billion e wa me ho na ya fine me 60 ye say se me just 60 million you are jubilating on 60 million. Are you not ashamed of yourself, Hopeson? You and your wife, are you not ashamed for you to come and give me a caption on social media? Say, Agraada, 60 million. I'll go to 60 million. Now, when it comes to 60 million, 60 million, maybe Rihanna will pay it for you. If it's just 60 million you want to pay for your lawyers, Rihanna will pay it for you, Hopeson Adorye. I'm telling you the facts. Go and work. You are a disgrace in this country. Hopeson, you are a disgrace in this country. And let me tell you, one of the ones some call one son, me say, I am teaching you a lesson. What the banshee a boom now beka. And what all you people are doing, you know. The only thing you want is injunction. Agraada my Facebook be ma me kasa be wo. Me say Jesus Christ can never tell me say my social media. Jesus Christ. Ada one person me by social media so no. Obejemenkwa. But as far as God is alive, I am alive. Nobody can stop me coming to the social media. Open Jensen. Some me social media so. But you and your wife will get the power and the capacity to come to the social media and fool yourself. And you want to grip me, grip my mouth, not me to talk. What but damn. I brought out the crofo no more. I bet some media no so. I know one kasana me. I will be your last stop. I'm telling you, Hopeson Adorye, you and your wife, I will be your last stop. Me say who say my caption bi abusu bola avano so beba bola avano so me say who say Hopeson who my caption bi bola avano so me say who say my caption bi say another seal papa which me papa Hopeson Adorye enye na kaminim say wunnim nyansa bako say another seal for Agraada wunu obi kontokwa. What di matem me do 1,000 times. When you be a way shimmy a winning answer Hopeson. And can to kwana me me kono. O for 10 year bako was be the aquasiuno. O for 10 year mienu was be the aquasiuno. And every video be a we 10 year bako now the aquasi. Many way you did to kwano me dinatem. And way ye are summoning bako at the aquagina courts. Some me say when you are showing at the aquagina courts for defamation. Why can't you take the matter to court? No, I don't know why when you know HIV, no one your wife can call me a depression by calling your wife HIV candidates. You are going to court. What bottom is a shoe? But I so your wife can call me a depression. But for me to call your wife HIV candidate, depression is a sickness. HIV is a sickness. You are calling me depression. For me to call you HIV candidate. Me, I will not take you Hopeson Adorye to court. I will not take you anywhere. I will not take your wife anywhere. I will discipline you on the social media. That is me. I will discipline you. Sound cost your caption. I want be mano. Say answer. Yasa kwamano. Another 200 million. What but damn Jimmy for? Who knew yasa? What but tears into come? No, you never tears into come. Me discipline. Maybe they would matam. Maybe they nipa. Maybe they would matam. Maybe they nipa. One said the judge and can say she don't know what to do about this case. So you should go and settle the case. And the judge they catch them. Was it, why can't you go and settle this matter? Was it, no, you will not settle it. If you will not settle it, don't come and insult me. Don't take me to court and come and sit in your house or anywhere to shade me, to bomb a kutia, to insult me. I will lash you. If you say pepem, I will say pepem 200 times. Me catch it out. But I want to so me catch it out. One of them, I'm not part of them. It's our new channel. I'm a bit media so. I know when you go see at home court. Maybe my drew court or buy him. Temo, baby, I quite know why Temo. I hold your territory. And I am promising you, South territory more. Maybe I will be in the I'm telling you the facts. We all know the law. If you are in Tema and you take your matter to court, you need to bring the matter to Accra. Me catch it out. The first day na yakoye. And then I to draw me car ties. I did not come out and say anything. I did not come out and say anything. First day no. I'm a court no. Womi did dadwa. I will want me car ties muni nara. Womi did dadwa want me car ties muni na mankasa. And now go do court no. And then yeah. What was a sound for? And upon me bedru ye no. Me late. To me buy no. Na oma free case no dada. Na me lawyers akasa wie. Na omo lawyers ene kasa. Eti abra me see ya no ko fine, no ko tantalizer. Even the policeman was trying to stop them. Mami ese me hua. The policeman was trying. Mami ese me hua say ya. The policeman was trying to stop them because they were shouting, giving me mama parts, no ko pressure, no ko tantalizer. They were giving me fans. It's fans no. No more day mama no. Me ba mama me ase me hua. Me ba me petama me drew beginning no. Oh. Where is it? Bola no so na me hwehwe mama. Bola no so. Let me search it for you. Abra me drew on that me page no so. Am mama fans. Sabre Hopeson Adorye ne yere te courtroom no. 1.7 momo lava no so. Hopeson Adorye ene ne yere at the courtroom no. I want more tisi ye dede mama part momo lava no so meba. Person me who video no meba. Ma check me phone on see ama me videos be meba. Meba bola no so ema me. Me be ya kire at the courtroom. Ye ma Agraada fans. Agraada bedru. Ye man fans. Wabedru. Ye man fans. Ote court ho. Ote. Emma judge ne kura ka che me lawyers ne say. What is me lawyer ne kan say. Abra me see ye no mu ye dede no. And judge ne say omo kwa bonti to stop the noise because obie kikam. Obie ni aje. Me say. When God blesses come upon you, nobody can take it from you.